Statistics is the powerful language we use to understand and interpret the world through data. It's the science of collecting, analyzing, and drawing meaningful conclusions from information. Imagine you and your friends each ate different numbers of cookies. Some had 2, others 5, even 10. Statistics helps answer questions like, what was the average consumption? What was the most common number? This simple example shows how we use statistics to summarize and understand patterns in data. We can calculate the average by adding all values and dividing by the number of people. In this case, the average cookie consumption is 4 per person. Statistics is fundamental across all fields. Doctors use it to determine effective treatments. Businesses rely on it to understand market trends. Sports teams analyze player statistics. Even the technology you use every day depends on statistical models. Statistics has 2 main branches. Descriptive statistics summarize data through averages and distributions. Inferential statistics let us make predictions and test hypotheses about larger populations based on samples. Statistics powers countless real-world applications. Streaming services use it to recommend content. Meteorologists rely on it for weather predictions. Manufacturers use statistical quality control. Financial analysts depend on it for market insights. In essence, statistics transforms raw data into meaningful insights. It's the foundation of data-driven decision-making in our increasingly information-rich world.